What doesn't it do? Oof, wish me luck. Hola gente! What is up my badass angels? Welcome to yet another video where we test out new hair care on camera. And today is the turn of the Absolut Repair 10-in-1 Perfecting Multi-Purpose Spray. The claims: oh my, nourishment, resurfacing, softness, lightweight touch, detangling, easy blow dry, frizz control, heat protection, split end reduction, and anti-pollution. So it sounds like there is nothing that this little spray bottle cannot do. But are you really a miracle in a spray bottle? Let's go ahead and test it out.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for I wanna go. Do you wanna follow?
Okay, this is getting more and more interesting. It's like even supposed to replace conditioner. Oof, shampooed, towel dried hair. I haven't used any conditioner or hair mask. One thing I want to say is that it does not specify how much you should spray. Wish me luck. So, oh yeah, it smells good. I'm trying to stay away from the roots and kind of focus on the ends, since it is promising to fight split. Okay. I think that it's starting to get my hand tired. Just want to give it a shot when it comes to detangling. So half of it is on my kimono. Alright, so the first thing I want to test is if it actually detangles my hair. I usually do the finger test, so it's only fair I try. Wow, not bad. I'm gonna go in with the Tangle Teaser to give it a deeper detangling. Feels very nice and slippery and conditioned. So the next step is to style my hair. Since this is a heat protectant, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair using my Hottools. I don't know what's going to happen, you know, something else, like a new product category, at least for me. We'll see what the final result is.
Enchanté.
Alright, I'm very impressed at how easy the brush is gliding through this. Again, it's not even conditioned here, so okay, there's so much I want to share with you guys. I feel that there's pros and cons, things to love and things to not so much. I can absolutely see the type of person that's going to adore this product, and I can see some others that are not going to like it at all. So stay with me. I'm going to try to summarize my first impressions. So the hair definitely feels softer than I was expecting. Granted, I feel that with other deep conditioning hair masks, I've had a lot more hydration and a lot more softness, but then again, this is a very practical item, and the results that I'm getting, I would say, are in between a conditioner that does pretty much nothing for me, at least on average, and a very deep conditioning hair mask. So it's kind of in there. So at least for me, this is like conditioner, but with a little extra something. Frizz control, that is also one of my main concerns. May have come at the expense of a little bit of flexibility, but still it looks pretty natural and doesn't feel heavy or super stiff. Now that said, I can feel on some areas it has kind of weighed my hair down. It's not everywhere, so I do suspect that I probably should apply a little bit less product and a little bit more evenly next time. I guess when it comes to new products, you just need to do a little bit of, you know, a trial and error where I have to find the right amount of product, and definitely stay away from the roots, because at the back I kind of sprayed the back a little bit, and here as well. I think it's my fault. This is not completely invisible to the touch, but it's pretty lightweight with the exception of those areas. But that's mostly me being, you know, a newbie and not so much the product's fault. I also feel that it helps hold on to your style. It's kind of a hairspray in a way. The shine is there. I mean, no conditioner. Okay, so split ends, I wish I had like a microscope. Honestly, don't think there's any solution for split ends. Once they go beep, all that is left is tick, tick. What you can do, and I think this product actually does, is improve the appearance of ends. Let me know in the comments below if you feel these are pretty decent looking ends, who I think this product would be a great fit for, and who should stay away from it. This product contains quite a bit of coconut oil. It is the second ingredient in the ingredients list. If you're like me and you love coconut oil, you're going to like this very much. If you have very fine hair, and generally speaking, if coconut oil has been a little bit too much for your hair, you may want to stay away from this product. A person that is in a very strict silicone-free routine is not going to like this product. It contains amodimethicone as the third ingredient. I personally don't mind silicones. I just make sure to use a clarifying shampoo every once in a while to, you know, prevent any buildup. But everybody's hair is different, and I'm very deeply respectful of that uniqueness. So I guess all in all, and of course from my own point of view and based on this first use, I'm gonna give this product a 9 out of 10, just because I feel it is an actual dream for the practi girl, and we tend to be in a rush like 90% of the week. I think it can save you a solid 5 to 10 minutes in your hair care routine. So in those days when I'm in a hurry, I can absolutely see myself reaching out to this one right here. That said, I do feel that I will run out of this quite fast, so that could make it a little bit expensive. When you think about it, it's not just one product. You have like 2 or 3 products inside. You know, maybe it's not that bad. It's probably a fair price considering everything that it's doing for you. And that is a wrap, my badass angels. I hope this video helped you in some way, or at least that it entertained you and that you enjoyed hanging out with me here today. I've been turning down sponsors for hair care like crazy this past week. I'm being super selective. I'm really making a huge effort to keep this whole channel as much unsponsored as possible, and it is the case of today's video, of course. So if you want to help me out, please do comment down below, subscribe, share. Every single product used and mentioned throughout this video is going to be listed in the description box, as always, for your convenience. Thank you so much for your support if you decide to use my links on this or any of my other videos. And remember, no matter what comes your way, stay brave. You are a badass with the heart of an angel. And I will catch up with you guys again on Saturday. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.